So guys, welcome to part 2 of how to use a multimeter. And in this video we'll be talking about how to measure an AC voltage, house current, alternating current voltage. And first thing you do is you switch on your multimeter and you turn your knob to the AC signal. As you can see, this V stands for AC and this here is for DC voltage. This is for AC voltage and this for DC voltage, so have that in mind so you don't do mistakes. And always you switch the knob to the correct rating. Whatever you're about to measure, you should always make sure that the rating you select here must be higher than the device you are about to measure. So for instance, you put it in this 750 volts. If you're about to measure for example, this house voltages, they are normally 220 volts to 240 volts depending on the country where you are. You select this 250, right? And never use DC for AC current. It will blow off your multimeter. And make sure you insert the probes properly, and the one going to the socket, make sure you insert them properly. These ones, make sure you insert them in properly, and don't do a mistake. You touch this part of the probes, you will get shocked. And when you do that, you connect it in series to the socket. You should read 220 volts or 240 volts depending on your country. Anything lesser than that, that tells you there's voltage drop in that particular circuit. The reason why I'm doing this video is to enlighten the electricians, technicians, even the engineers. It has come to my notice that a lot of people neglect this tool. If you search their bag now, you will not even find one. So guys, I'm advising, if you do not have yours, make sure you go to the market now and try to purchase one. It's very, very important in terms of troubleshooting. You don't go to the field and start to guess work. It will lead you to problem. That's why plenty other places they call us to go and rectify issues a lot of you guys must have done. So I'm advising, this tool is very, very important. Go and grab yours now and make use of it. In my next videos, I'll come up with the rest of measurements you'll do with this.